Fucking game. Whatever. I don't even care. I'm losing time. Who cares? I don't care. Do I sound mad? I'm not mad. Fuck! Listen, guys. Gazco is my boss, essentially. He is a couple ranks higher than me on the leaderboards. So if he tells me to do something, I have to do it. I don't have a choice. They see me rolling, they're hating. More general terms as we all deal with, oh, come on, level load. Load! No! Game load! Oh my. Dude, I was singing some karaoke tonight. It was fucking awesome. I sang, Benny and the Jets. Bum, bum, bum. I fucking love that song, dude. Sorry, I have to pick my nose for a sec. He's about to hit me right now. Gotta hit that quick jump. Hoop! Got him. Everyone talks shit about Wikipedia. Wikipedia's tight now. Remember in school they'd be like, don't get your fucking research from Wikipedia. It's like, hello, like, you get your research from Wikipedia and then you fucking use the sources that they give in the Wikipedia articles, and then it's like almost always right. It's just that fucking, I think it's that people are just afraid of fucking the spread of information. They're like, oh, it's unreliable. It's like, bitch. Mrs. fucking Dinkleberry from elementary school, you can fuck right off. That's it. You're out of here, kid. You're done, kid. If I hear one more peep, all right, that's it, kid. First couple weeks on the job, it's pretty difficult, you know. I'm not gonna lie, but you'll get the hang of it. You'll get the hang of the daily beatings. It's rough out here at Gazco Incorporated. But we do what we can to ensure that the Nestor conspiracy is kept under wraps. Hired. Hey man, you gotta make a choice, alright? You could work for me. No. I mean, let me take that back. You could work for Gazco, okay? You could work for the corporate conglomerate, the monopoly of all fucking bitches. Gazco. Oh, you're gonna have a great time if you work for Gazco. I mean, literally speaking, you're gonna have a great actual time. Oh my god. Or you could work for Deo Co. Dude, how am I so bad at everything in this game but so good at that jump? I don't understand it. Now, some of my critics have accused me of having a grudge against Gazco. No, I don't hold grudges. You see, I'm a winner, and winners don't hold grudges against people who have, a better time in a video game. Oh, okay. Well, man, listen, I've spent my whole life fucking eating shit in the dumpster, okay? I came from nothing. And Gazco is over here making, I heard he makes over $800 trillion per month. And so can you really trust a guy like that in power? I don't think so. I mean, personally, I get disgusted every time I even think about it. The first thing I always say, the fucking company motto up here at Deo Co. is no tears, okay? So Gazco, this one goes out to you, buddy. Get it together, okay? Get it together, kid, because I'm not doing this for nothing, okay? He says he's got 200 people below him on the leaderboard. So you know what that means? You know what that means? That just means he's just a fucking corporate conglomerate. Okay? That just means he's just got people working in the sweatshops putting in 8-hour speedruns against their own will without a route or anything. Do you want to work for a fucking corporate environment like that? I don't think so. I'm here promoting beautiful, attractive, hyped up chatters with positive mindsets and many dogs and cat emotes all over the fucking place. So you tell me, which is the company you want to be with? That shit was my jam. Okay, so alright, so my mom went to fucking this Mexican place and she was like, she called me, she was like, hey, do you want anything? I was like, yeah, give me a burrito, give me a fucking like al pastor burrito or whatever. She's like, alright, hell yeah. And she comes home and she's like, okay, so I asked the lady, classic mom shit, she's like, okay, I asked the lady to give me a wet burrito without the salsa on it, without the sauce. I'm like, Mom, like, what the fuck? That's just a regular burrito. She's like, no, actually, it's a little different because if you notice, wet burritos are actually larger and have a little bit more shit in them. And so I wanted that version for you, but without the sauce on it. We got to be looking towards the beacons of light in this community. We got to be looking towards the Sabooms. We got to be looking at the Chris's. Okay, we got to even be looking at the Alex's Destes of the communities. Okay, but Gazco, I don't know, man. There's just something fishy about him. You know, I can't really put my finger on it. It might have something to do with the fact that he starved me for several weeks straight while I worked under him. Really fucked up working conditions, and personally I'm not going to stand for it. Okay, you know what, so maybe my business hasn't been the most hasn't had as much of a impact, okay, as a corporate conglomerate, you know, making millions of dollars a day. Because this guy's telling me about Norks and shit. I'm heated up right now. I'm hot like a burrito. Pittsburgh? Where the fuck is Pittsburgh, dude? I don't know geography at all. I don't even know American. I live in America. I don't even know American geography. Is that in like Washington or some shit? Pittsburgh? I'm like mad at you. What the fuck, dude? You live in Pittsburgh? What the fuck is that? I mean, you know, I say just let the sheep fuck. Right? Can't we all just get along? Just let the sheep fuck, man. That's all I'm saying. Ooh. No, I mean, kind of ooh. Ooh. Kind of more like a ooh. I was like, ooh, that was tight. Then it was like, ooh, oh, no, ooh. It went from ooh to ooh. He'll come at you with his CEO sort of, you know, rhetoric. Oh, we're here saving all. We're here for the Norks. We're here for the people. Well, you know what, man? That's just a load of shit, in my opinion. I stand for the people, and I'm not afraid to tell it like it is. And Gazco, he is the lowest of the low. Maybe it's not them, Hangman. Maybe it's you, bro. No, I'm just kidding. Honestly, like that's just the reality. It's better. My opinion is that it's better to be stood up than to live like life in regret that you didn't even try. You know what I mean? To like ask them out or anything. Like when you go like trick or treating, and like you like arrive at like the dark house that has no lights, but you know you still try it anyways. And it's like some old fucking decrepit ass motherfucker answering the door, and they're like, "What the fuck? Like, why are you guys here?" And you're like, "Trick or treat," and he's like, "What the fuck?" But enough about me. Enough about me. Let's talk about Gazco. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, guys, like, how's your night going? Like, I'm interested to know, because I feel like I've been making this stream all about me. You know, I mean, it's about you guys too. I mean, it's not about Gazco. It's definitely more about me than it is about Gazco, let's be honest. I wish I had, like, just a fucking career that, like, got me, like, you know, money. I mean, you know what I mean. I wish I could just, like, waste money on shit that didn't even matter. Oh, fuck! Yeah, he's been with it. Okay, guys, that's... A little bit of a stream lore right here. Yeah, Craig was definitely dating my sister for a number of years. So yeah, he definitely. Me and him have like a father-son complex thing going on. You know, I mean, I have a real dad, but he's like that's how powerful of like a father figure Craig is. It's fucking weird, but it's kind of hot at the same time too. I mean, I don't know how to feel about it even. Like, have you ever had someone be like a brother, a father, and a sexual icon to you all at the same time? That's what me and Craig have going on right now. Not to mention the whole sugar daddy thing going on now that he's like fucking got that gold sub badge. Look at this guy. How old is my sister? Yeah, wouldn't you like to know, Gaz? Wouldn't you like to monopolize on my fucking sister, Gaz? Why don't you just fucking shut the fuck up, okay? Ugh. Women, I'd rather not think about women right now, to be honest. I'd rather think about the harsh curves, the harsh polygonal curves of this reptilian dragon in front of me. That's much more appealing to me right now. I say let him fuck. You know what? All this talk about monopolies and stuff has got me hungry. I say let them fuck. I'll take a burrito that's half wet, half Diet Coke. Yeah, I learned that strategy from my mom. That's a secret hack right there. Why can't you just spread your seed across? Okay, Aether, this is getting really fucking hot right now. I think we need to take this to the DMs real quick, alright? I'll roleplay as this chicken over here. Okay, I just killed him, so now he's in the ether. Okay, so I can roleplay as him now. It fits in with the timeline. So I'll be the chicken, and you be like you can be. You can be like you can be Dr. Shemp, dude. I have like that kind of complex where I like being like a mini like sized person, like going up against like a really huge giant sized person. I think that shit's super hot because it's like, how do you even like penetrate with that? You know what I mean? Like that doesn't even work, right? But that's what's so hot about it. You know what I mean? That's the kind of porno I'm talking about. You can't tell me how to roleplay, dude. I already have it figured out. I'm gonna show up to SGDQ in my fucking fursuit, man. I got my onesie chicken. I literally have a onesie chicken pajama outfit. So don't think I'm not ready to fucking cosplay that shit. Hell yeah, we're roleplaying right now. You'll be Nestor? Oh god, yeah, you would be Nestor, guys. You fucking conglomerate. You fucking Monopoly man ass motherfucker, dude. You just want to fucking hold everyone down. You'd be the one guy who's fucking holding everyone down in the Dragon Kingdom. Did you guys know that Nestor actually fucking molested Spyro? I don't say that lightly. That shit's fucked up. That shit's not okay. But yeah, that's why he told Spyro to go and fucking kill all these fucking innocent. You see that motherfucker was running away from me, right? Like, does that make sense? This is a children's game, guys. This is fucked up. Not cool. You know, we were just about to get a role playing session going, and now I'm totally fucking soft, dude. I'm like not into it at all. Like, you guys are fucking weird, man. You guys are so weird. You had to fucking pick Nestor, huh? You had to pick Nestor. Fucking sadistic, dude. You're sadistic. Yeah, while I'm at it, yeah, I'll be fucking I'll be metalhead while I'm at it. Like, how OP would that be, dude? You're fucking in like a role playing session, and it's like, oh, nuzzles your cheek softly, proceeds to electrocute enemy from afar, proceeds to fall on your corpse and crush you. That's how I imagine Metalhead's voice sounds like. You know, actually, it's funny that you mentioned that, Hangman. I was actually with a really tall girl for a while. I mean, not like really tall, but like she was like a little bit taller than me. And I'm like the normal size guy, you know. 4 feet, 10 inches. Yeah, I'm like, so she was a little bit taller than me. Yeah, it was hot, dude. I was into it. Tall girls they got thick legs, dude. With tall girls, their legs like make up like 2/3 of their body mass. It's kind of crazy. So if you like legs, I mean, there you go. But me personally, I'm definitely more of a I'm more of a wrist guy myself, you know. I just like a good wrist. Gazco is holding me down, man. Gazco, I say this in no figurative terms whatsoever. Gazco was holding me down and fucking me, dude. It was messed up. Wally, take the wheel. But anyways, I was at this melee competition, right? And I'm thinking, well, shit, all the cool kids are going to be going here with their jerseys, right? Well, it just so happens that I have a jersey too. Really nice, plasticky, whatever kind of shirt that kind of breathes a little bit. But instead of having my tag or Old Spice on it, all it is just a giant blown up picture of Bill Clinton. So yeah, so I rep Bill, dude. I play for Bill. I may be going 0-2 on my pools matches, but you know what? I do it for Bill, man, because Bill would want me to go out there and try. He would want me to go out there and blow on that sax. Isn't that right? So yeah, sometimes it's not about the end game. It's not about the goal. It's about the journey. Okay, and that's why I have a Bill Clinton emote. Hell yeah, dude. Blue splits all fucking run. When your splits match your balls. They don't call me Saboom for nothing, dude.